Hi, folks. We're back with this project we've been working on. Haven't subscribed, please subscribe and start from this at the beginning. We got our roof rafters in. Now let's do these walls. Show you the quickest and easiest way to do this. Since we got walls here already, so I'm going to go over until this elevation view. See if we can do it this way. I think that's the east. I think. Yep. So now what I'm going to do is going to be very simple because these walls are mostly going to be 2x4s. If I'm not mistaken, we'll put this in shaded view so we can see what's happening here. So here, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to do a beam system. So beam system, nope. First of all, I'm going to pick up my doors here. What? I'm going to cancel this out, then I'm going to pick a plane. I'm going to do pick, and I'm going to go here. So now it will allow us to do the beam system. Let's see. Yeah, it will. But first of all, I'm going to grab a 2x4 because this is all going to be 2x4s because this is only a 4-inch wall. So I'm going to get out of this and I'm going to go into my insert tab. Go get some framing, and it's going to be dimension lumber if it ever shows up. I'm going to go to framing, structural framing. I'm going to go to dimension lumber here, and I've got some in here already. Just load it, and there we go, 2x4. Okay. Now, we're going to make this as simple and quick as possible. This is a quick way to do this. So I'm going to go back into my structure tab, beam system, and I'm going to sketch. I could even do pick line, to be honest with you. No, let's do the sketch. Go out there. There. Probably should have did pick line there. I'm gonna come around here, and then I'm gonna go over here. Now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go and look in my properties and see we've got the 166. This we're using a 2x12. No, we want to use the 2x4 here. And then I'm going to give these, yes, I'm going to do some mucking around in here. Like I want to align this to that. Okay. And now I'm going to go here inside and do my framing, my beam system. So it'll be here. Let's finish this first. And there. So there's our 2x4s. Place this where we want them and everything. So let's go look at these on the bottom. Let me look at this section, see what's going on here. Okay. So I'm going to go back into that east elevation. Now I'm going to edit this. I'm going to select the beam system and I'm going to edit the boundary here. And here I want to go and cut a whole space in here. It'll be about right through there, like so. And then you get a head beam or something up there. I think, can I do two of these at once? I don't think I can, but I'm going to try. Go opening for that one. And this one. It might work for us, folks. And then I'll just finish it. All right, so there's that wall. And we do the same thing to the front elevation here. Well, let's do this one now. Go to beam system here. And I'm going to bypass this because I'm going to pick a set of plane here. And I'm going to say okay, and then I'm going to pick this. That's the wall there. And then I'll go here and create my beam system. I want here. We may have to fix these bottom plates because they should be rotated at 90 degrees. Actually, we'll do what we did on the last one up there. And there. And there. So now we'll go and adjust these. And then go to our beam system again. And they got 1/6, and we're using a 2x4. Yep. And then we're going to hit the finish button. Now that's in the wrong direction, so we're going to undo that. Oh, we got to set the span. See, that has to happen. I missed that one, so hit the span going this way, then finish it. Too easy, huh? And once again, we're going to make this fine. And we want to kind of adjust these for the windows and door here. So I'm going to go and edit this. And we can go in here and just go that window. We would need a head beam or something through there, a header or something going across the front, the top and the bottom. If we get time, we'll do that. We'll be rocking and rolling. Again, please subscribe to the channel. And there's our door. And we're going to finish that. Okay, now we'll go around to our north and south. This is north here. Okay. I don't know what that is. And we'll do the same thing. We'll select, set this plane, pick it. Okay, that one. Now this one might be a little tricky, but I got to find that line up there. So since we're on that plane, we should be able to get it while we go in a wireframe here. So let's go into find and then wireframe, just so we can see. I think that's it right there. Yep. So let's go and do our beam system. I'm going to shut it off for a minute, just so we can get my bearings here. There we go. So we can always adjust it. There it is right there. So it helped us out a little bit. There it is. Yep, that's it right there. If it's not, we can always adjust. I'm going to align this to that. And I'm going to go in the wireframe just to see if I can see what's going on in here now. I think that may be it right there. Just align to that line right there. Not sure if that's it or not. Okay, so we'll get out of wireframe now and go back into our shaded view, and then we'll create our beam system here. We're going to properties. We got the 2x4 and a 1/6. got the right span, and we'll finish. Now we'll go in our 3D view and have a peep here. It's okay, I guess. It's close enough. So we'll go back into that view. And now we'll edit this. We'll select it. We'll edit the boundaries on these. Just break the windows out. We'll wireframe again so I can see. There we go. This would probably be better for this one. This one there. Anyway, again, please subscribe to the channel. Help me get to 5,000 subs. Hope all is well, everybody. Click on through here like so. And this one here. You're going to miss a little bit, but go for that one. Go back in the shaded view. And we'll finish. So there's that one. Is that 1.6? Yeah, I guess so. Yep, they line up pretty good. So I'm gonna go back into the last elevation, and that will be the front of our house. And I might just want to remove this roof. I want to just temporary, not in this view though. Maybe go into that, this is south, I think. Go to our south elevation. Yep, that's the one. And we want to just remove the roof temporarily. Hide element. Uh-oh, I isolated. Sorry. I don't know why I always do that. Undo. I want to hide this guy. Hide element. There you go. And we can also hide this plywood up there. So then we'll just go in and do our roof, our framing now, instead of taking all day. So here, I might leave it here anyway. So I'm going to go back into my shaded view here. And just, I might even reset that. Just go in and there it is, I see it. So we'll go in and do another beam system. So we'll pick this plane, pick it. We want this, yep. And then we'll go and do our beam system. And we'll look here at our properties. See, we got 90 degree, 2x4, 1/6. And then you'll just go from this corner to this corner. I think that's it right there. Get my span going in the right direction here. And we finish. And then again, we'll take it and edit it. So that's the thing, you want to keep this a beam system for as long as possible, because once you drop it, well, you drop it. You can't do neat stuff like this or change the member sizes or anything like that. So hey everybody, appreciate you watching my videos. We're gonna get this one here. And we'll go finish. Okay, now let's go back in our 3D view. So we've actually framed the whole house here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off these walls. See if I can hide the whole category. Yeah. I'll turn off the roof. Let's go here, hide element. Whoops. There we go. I'm gonna hide this one as well. And there we got our wood frame house pretty much. Now, along the bottom we would need plates here. We can get those put in and everything, but this is basically what we got. Our wood frame house. Got the flooring in here and everything. So I'm going to leave it there, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Helps to make these videos. Everybody be safe. And I'm going to just bring all this back. Okay. I'm going to do that right quick and see what happens. So yeah, here we're going to need base plates on the bottom and the top plate. But hey y'all, thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Everybody be safe and please subscribe. Bye.